Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this information helpful. National Funding, found at nationalfunding.com, provides business financing solutions. They offer a diverse range of funding options, catering to the unique needs of various businesses. Whether you require a small business loan, merchant cash advance, or equipment financing, National Funding aims to streamline the application and funding process. They boast a simplified online application and prioritize swift approvals, enabling businesses to access capital quickly. National Funding emphasizes its commitment to assisting businesses in securing the necessary funds to achieve their growth objectives. They pride themselves on offering personalized service, working closely with business owners to understand their individual circumstances and tailor financing solutions accordingly. With a focus on transparency and customer satisfaction, National Funding strives to build long-term relationships with its clients. They understand the challenges businesses face, and their aim is to be a reliable financial partner, providing support and resources throughout the funding journey. Exploring their website, nationalfunding.com, provides more detailed information about their various financing products, including eligibility criteria and application procedures. You can also find testimonials from businesses that have utilized their services, offering insights into their experiences with National Funding. They encourage businesses to contact them directly to discuss their specific funding needs and explore the options available. National Funding positions itself as a dedicated partner committed to helping businesses succeed by providing access to the necessary capital. They offer a variety of financing options to meet diverse business needs and emphasize a customer-centric approach to ensure a positive funding experience. For businesses seeking financial solutions, National Funding encourages exploration of their website and direct contact to discuss individual requirements and discover how they can help achieve business goals. They facilitated billions of dollars in financing for businesses across various industries, underscoring their experience and commitment to supporting business growth. Consider National Funding as a potential resource for your business financing needs.